Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. To get started, let's hold our power key and disregard this, keep holding. Once you see the boot option, select power off, and when phone turns off, you're going to hold power key and volume up. Now, when you start holding power key and volume up, you will see the HUAWEI logo. Keep holding, and after a moment you should feel a vibration, at which point you can let go of the two keys. And this will boot us into the recovery mode from HUAWEI. Now it's fairly limited, it only has restart, clear data, update mode and safe mode in here. Now under clear data we'll have factory reset or wipe cache partition as options, and under update mode you just have update mode. So that's about it. So anyway, I'm gonna select restart just so I can get back to the operating system, which in this case I believe is the Harmony OS, or it could be the Android, I'm not exactly sure. And as you can see, we are now back in whatever this is. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.